actually do. It's really cool because I didn't make it. It just arrived here from China today. Chopsticks. So I have chopsticks right here. You want to see them? I, I prefer to say that we are fostering him during his stay in the U.S. Let's see. I'll try to see how good you can see him there. All right, there he is. And let me power him up for you. The last couple of times testing right before, and he yanked his own power cord out when he started up. Hopefully we'll have better luck this time. Let's say it takes a second. Come on. Oops, wrong way. I already had him powered up. Never mind. Okay, here it goes. I think. On. There we go. Okay, for real this time. So there he goes, and when he first starts up, I don't know how well you can see that, but he kind of drums his little legs in boredom, and he does actually even fit the theme for tonight, because if you see up here, he's got two eyes. And they do react. They are OddBot's compound IR eyes. I don't know. I could try to get a little closer so you can see them. But they actually motion. They actually follow. They actually track and follow, which is pretty neat. And hopefully he doesn't like walk off the table. Oh, he plays peekaboo too. Hang on. No, he's playing peekaboo. Watch. I don't know if you can see that, but whenever he detects something in front of his eyes in this mode, he just lost his power. But yeah, in that mode he covers up. But he's got the board drum mode. He's got the walk around, which I don't want to demonstrate here because he's on a table, and if I drop him off the table, that'll be the end. But he's really cool. He's actually made out of chopsticks, like little wooden chopsticks, and polymorph plastic, and like 18 servos. And the driver board that Russell or OddBot on LMR designed for Daegu. And this is actually his original prototype he sent me. They're making it into a kit with laser cut parts, but this is all real. Actually, it's 3 servos per leg, I think. One, two, yeah. Okay, 3 servos per leg. So even more than I thought. 24 plus 2 each, so 28 servos. Anyway, that's Chopsticks. Distance sensors and all. I'll try. Let me lift him. Let me see. If I'm going to lift him, I might as well make myself comfortable. Here we go. He's heavy. Yeah, he's pretty heavy. I mean, he's not a little robot. Can you see it? So the darker sensors, the darker ones are the emitters, I think. And then is it? Yeah. And then he's got the detectors, or maybe it's the other way around. I forget. But he's got like basically a series of IR emitters and detectors in a little array there, and he's got them programmed so that he can he does a quick. I know when he does a measurement, he turns off the emitters. He takes a measurement of the ambient light levels so he can compare against that, and then he does a pretty good job of sensing how far things were, and he can actually do the tracking. Yep, he's a cool robot. And they're actually you can buy the eyes now. I think he's got 4 of them. Actually, what you saw, each one that was actually 2 of them. So the compound eye is actually, that's 2 of them right there. So he's got 4 total. And you can buy those compound eyes as a kit or completely assembled from Daegu, and actually they've got I guess their distributor any of their distributors, but they're like pretty cheap. I mean, you could try to make it yourself, but it's a nice little board, and they definitely work. They're pretty cool.
The sensors are about $10 on the robot shop.
Thanks, Gabriel. Have you used them?
No, not me, not yet.
Not yet. I should have had. He was shipping. I was stupid. He was shipping me this thing. I should have like bought a bunch of stuff and had him send it to me while he was a couple extra eyes and things would have been easy to slip in this giant box he had to send it in. Missed my opportunity.
Oh well, what
Oh
can you
well.
do?
Next time. Next time I order a giant robot from China, I'll think it through better. All right. Well, any other? I mean, if anybody has questions about chopsticks, I didn't make them, but I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, can move on. Yeah, he had to come up with a good, like, really good power supply to be able to power that many servos and successfully. So I know as he was creating it, he had to route quite a bit of current to make all those servers go, and the ones that lift all his weight are pretty hefty too. Here, it's I'm running one of these. It's a nickel metal hydride 7.2 volt pack. This one is 3,800 milliamp hours. I think he runs it off of something even bigger than that. So this won't last as long as when he does it, but these are like half the price of the ones he uses. So I bought 3 of them, and takes about 2 hours to charge with my charger. And big, fat, thick wires to handle all that current.
Oh yeah, I discovered the thin wires won't make it if you're using a lot of servos.
Yeah, you learn that the hard way. Why isn't my robot working? It's because can't get it enough current.
Then I got stuck on connectors.
uh, it was just good timing that he literally showed up like today, and I was like, oh, I don't have any good distance sensor stuff to show. Oh wait, I do.